Good day! On this video I will show you how to remove the rear seats. This video is about the normal seats. At a later stage I will make another one regarding the electrical rear seats. The reason we'll have to remove this, for instance, will be if you want to pass cables through the car, if you want to fix the electrical aerial, if we need to fit new shock absorbers, if you need to remove that part here at the back, stuff like that. So let's now start with it. We will start by removing the lower parts. On each side you will see here at the corner there's a little red clip. Okay, so we'll pull it towards the door. Okay, we'll do that on each side, then we'll lift this up and it should be able to come out without any problem. See this? That's what I was talking about. You put it like that on both sides and it's gone. Now to remove the upper part here. Normally you will see a screw. Mine obviously it's missing. You will have another one on the other side. Mine obviously is missing again. And the final one will be below the armrest. You will see it's at the center. Surprisingly, it's there. So anyway, I will have to buy new screws. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll remove those screws. Normally it's a number 8. Okay. We'll remove the 3 and then we'll be able to remove this. Now that we have removed all the screws, we will lift it up to disengage from the top. Once it's disengaged, then we can take it off. Now that it's off, I can show you a bit better. You see here at the center and the 2 legs, that's where the screws are, and the top part, you see, that's where it goes into the inside. Okay, so when you'll fit it later, that's how it goes. So now it's the time to clean, because usually below the seats it's usually very dirty. So let's clean it nicely and do the job you have to do. When removing the seats, I told you that very often we found surprises. My surprise is this. You see this? Usually it's the work of rats, bad sign. And I just find a seed from an olive tree. So that tells me that the rats at some points have been inside the car. But so far I can't see any damage with cables or anything. At the time to place back the seats, very easy. That would be exactly the same thing but in reverse. Okay, we place this and we make sure it's well locked at the top. We place our 3 screws and then we place the lower part. But be careful, don't forget to place the seat belt. You put this in place, you put the seat belt on top and then you place this in his position. If not, you won't have access to the seat belt. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video. Subscribe to the channel because we'll see each other very soon in another one. Take care. Ciao.